Imagine everything was easy. Pay TV, linear streaming, video on demand. One solution that takes care of everything. Market conditions, business models, broadcast quality, user features. Quick to implement, absolutely reliable and ultra-flexible. Leaving you to concentrate on what matters, your core business. Not possible? Sure it is. With the Media Toolbox, your product visions promptly and precisely implemented. As a turnkey all-in-one solution or as a customized package. Seamlessly integrated into your existing system. Fully compatible with other solutions. Direct to home, multi-screen, online video. Setup, completion, modification. Anything is possible. Anytime, any place. Pay TV, video on demand, linear streaming, catch-up TV, metadata management, scrambling, content protection, encoding and transcoding, and much more. Optimum distribution, maximum flexibility, perfect interoperability. The Media Toolbox, always one step ahead. Questions? We're happy to advise. SES Platform Services.